does not allow you to be paid anything to the number of years that you served as a teacher. And then you get yourself involved in panel knowledge. Daughter, is it that you want hiyo kazi gani hiyo? I want to verify. Because we shall never forgive you. Even the union will not support. Ladies who are here and men who are here. You know the power is not the same. When you are not people, what are you trying?
Kajiado, having been given affirmative action status, we are learning that this has been withdrawn, and in fact some sub-counties have lost the status of hard to staff and hardship area. So we must appeal to Teachers Service Commission that the status of Kajiado should remain the same. The issue of understaffing here is one issue that even escalates to other branches and other regions. We still want Teachers Service Commission through the government to have more teachers to be employed in this country.
Urban schools are overstaffed, while the far-flung schools in rural areas are understaffed. We want to see an even distribution of teachers. The headquarters, there is a lot of interference from the headquarters in terms of posting of teachers. Teachers should not be posted to the urban areas that are already overstaffed. Let them be posted to schools that need teachers.